Yes, today is boat day, everybody. We are about to get on the boat.
Second day at Deep Creek. My people, second day at Deep Creek.
Yeah,
Second
today
day
is a boat day.
going on
So
a
we are
boat
going
day.
to
My people.
get on the boat
Okay.
and go Deep Creek area.
You can see.
So we are getting on the water.
Where am I?
We are getting on the water. Well, let's stop. Can you hear where are the west? We are about to get on the boat to Maya. Okay, let's go get on the boat. Everybody's ready.
It's better than we need it when we don't have it.
Did man allow?
It's coming, they bring in the life jacket first. Alright, no, let's wait. So the life jacket is already there.
My mom went where worry.
Alright guys, life jackets on. I got a few different sizes. Let's see, the biggest one?
Yeah, and
Okay,
any bad
this
boys
side,
don't
that's you.
even need a life jacket.
Alright, and the third one
Any bad boys don't even need life jackets.
Adults don't wear life jacket.
I thought someone is in the boat, right?
Yeah, only kids will.
Okay. But my mom will wear one because she's
Okay. I'm one. Where are you?
You'll get less wet here.
As well as your.
There, you're gonna get wet.
Oh.
As
If
well
you,
as
this is a
your
little bit less. You might
floor
still
and
get
your,
wet. But
throwing cushion.
Okay, got it. You want to put this on?
just keep it next to you.
Keep it next to you. I'll put the baby on it.
You're still getting cool.
Alright, sorry, please go ahead.
There's a horn. Horn here. here. Your lights don't work or anything.
We won't tell you guys.
Alright.
Watch out for the kayakers.
Yeah, man.
Seatbelt.
No
You
seatbelt.
don't want a seatbelt. What if it goes over? You're gonna be stuck in the boat.
Exactly. You can't have a seatbelt. Alright.
Seatbelt is dangerous.
Alright, you're
Yeah.
all good.
Alright.
What? What? Sorry.
Yeah,
Lisa,
we
you don't have
go.
to hold it. It's not gonna fly away. Put it so you're comfortable.
All right.
Funny.
Hey,
Yeah,
what's the radio?
Hey,
I thought we brought a radio. Who brings the radio?
Numero Joria. Mamure.
Nothing can happen. These boats are so wide.
It's pontoon boat.
There are other boats that can flip, but this one, you can't really. Well, you never know, but this is a lot of.
Yeah. I can handle a bottle of
This is
beer.
the only bottle opener I can find.
Oh, okay.
So we have the big one.
Be careful. Let me drink some beer.
Hey, you want a Yingling?
Hey, Jeff.
You want a Yingling?
Thank you.
Man, why didn't you have the small opener? I didn't know she was doing that.
On the way I was beer.
This is the only one I can find.
Alright, no problem. No, my mom was my dad and my mom. My dad said, I'm going to use your mouth. I'm taking this beer in your mouth. Did you bring juice for them?
Uh-huh.
Alright, can I have a blue moon? Please. I want
my first boat I've been driving for
I
years.
don't need to open up for that. You can sit.
I bought right now, look and shine. Look at it now. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, 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 cheers.
So you guys need your live best song, but not the Mohana.
I'm going to Mohana.
Yeah, live best song.
Live Vesta.
Because
Oh,
are you serious? Ask me that.
Sandra, no.
Oh, speed up. Speed up a little bit. Give it to Tanya. Give it to Tanya.
Are you enjoying or you're just here?
Don't be scared.
There's a slide.
Private property.
Oh, it's private property.
I mean,
So wait for the green light.
they might get mad. I think,
Oh, you have to wait for the green lights.
Yes.
it's somebody's house.
Yeah, it is somebody's house. So no.
So, I mean,
Where's the green light?
The green light is over there.
On the bridge.
I don't know, but there's 3 red lights. 2 red lights and 1 green light.
Yes.
so you pass in the middle.
Go past the green light.
That's the place you pass in the middle.
Go past
Uh-huh.
the green light.
I guess I do.
I guess
To the right.
Yeah, we have to pass
I don't know.
under the bridge. Green light. Uh-huh.
Like,
Alright, guys.
already got clear back.
by the end of the week.
birthday is Big Crib.
And we are both right in the lake. Big Crib Lake.
Let's go that way.
Huh? Where?
That goes to that.
Oh, wow.
Alright?
My sister stop over there. Oh, yeah. Come back later.
All these are vacation home. Vacation home.
Good. For the same amount, for the cost us just about 3 times more.
Wow.
Just to sit down there.
For one coat, for that house.
Okay.
You can have, it belongs to them.
A couple don't want it here now.
The people don't want anything.
It's private property.
Sorry, property.
They can shoot at you.
They can shoot you.
Like, or we would be dead.
And don't forget, this is Trump country. They got guns.
Ah. Okay, you guys can go back. It's not raining no more.
Oh, you want to go back?
Beautiful houses.
Report
You guys don't want to go back? They want to stay here.
Want to go back to where you were
Why
sitting?
did